During a consultation with a patient, Dr. Henber recalls the past. To that day, when the hen discovered a lump in the shower. As a medical student, Henber knew better than to panic right away. After all, a majority of breast lumps are benign. But after further self-examination, the hen began to suspect something. Henber immediately made an appointment with me for a consultation. Of course, it's understandable to feel anxious. But we'll find out more tomorrow. Henber came in for a series of diagnostic tests. I sent the sonogram to the radiologist, who noted an abnormal mass. Further exploration was deemed necessary, and Henber gave consent to this. The next step was a fine needle aspiration to remove some breast tissue. Henber seemed nervous, but fortunately, Nurse Henia was assisting. 10 days later, the results were in. Unfortunately, I did not have good news to share with my student. The lump was malignant breast cancer. It's a difficult conversation, but once a treatment plan was discussed, Henber was ready to fight. Chemotherapy will begin shortly. It was Henber's first session. Nurse Henia attached an IV to the chemo port. It was important for me to be there for my student. Treatment does take time, but Henber was determined to keep up with school. At the next session, Henber was feeling cold, which is not uncommon. It's always a big help to have the support of friends and loved ones. As treatment continued, hair loss and appetite changes were inevitable. But new friendships and sharing of experiences gave strength. Chemotherapy left Henber feeling fatigued and drained, but Henber was not alone and was able to rely on the thoughtfulness and kindness of friends and housemates. Henber's sessions have taken time, but they will be coming to an end soon. Henber arrived at the Henworld Medical Center for yet another chemotherapy session. Nausea and hair loss are common side effects of chemotherapy, but many also experience others, like oral pain and mouth ulcers. Sucking on ice chips helps with some of the side effects. There was definitely excitement in the air and a great sense of relief. I did make sure to be there for the last time. It hasn't been an easy time for Henber, and I wanted to remind my student that there's still so much more to accomplish. Finally, the day has arrived. Henber thinks about all the hard work it took to get here. It's graduation day at Henvard University. At this packed ceremony, Henber! The moment Henber's name was called and the diploma presented, a roar of applause could be heard. We all knew how much that hen had to go through to get to this day. Memories of that time hang in Dr. Henber's office. They serve as reminders that give strength to anyone who needs it. The journey is tough, but never give up on your dreams.